of Pop Rock Class 79 Martinez Rock.
There's nowhere in the world that I would rather be than with you, my love.
And there's nothing in the world that I would rather see than your smiles, my love.
For united we stand, divided we fall. And if our backs should ever be against the wall, we'll be together, together, you and I. For united we stand, divided we fall. And if our backs should ever be against the wall, we'll be together, together, you and I. And if the world around you falls apart, my love, then I'll still be here.
And if the going gets too hard along the way, just you call out here.
For united we stand, divided we fall. And if our backs should ever be against the wall, we'll be together, together, you and I. For united we stand,
as we celebrate the 50th Golden Jubilee celebration of our Magilas 79 upper class. I'm very happy to see my classmates all over the Philippines, from Mindanao, Visayas, and here in Luzon. I'm very happy to join them with the happy moments after 50 years.
It was the best celebration we ever had, and as Alan said, it's a benchmark. It's the benchmark for our coming next reunions. So thank you everyone for being there, and for those who are not there but were there in spirit, thank you, and let's get on with our Magilas spirit. Long live Class 79. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for the good memories sa anniversary natin, golden anniversary. Love you all.
Ang masasabi ko, superb. Ang preparation, superb. Wala na makakatulad. Our 50th anniversary celebration was indeed a celebration of what we aspired or waited for so many years. It defined us as our class. It defined our friendship. It defined our camaraderie. And it defined our being Magilas. Salamat, lalo na sa steering committee. Alam na ninyo yan kung sino kayo. And we are so proud of you.
I consider and I believe it was the mother of all celebration na naranasan ko. It was well attended. Ang dami nag-attend. Lahat masaya. Naging successful dahil sa early preparation. At mga 1 year before, pag-usapan na, naplano na. And successfully, it was well planned and executed superbly. We attribute this to the able leadership of Boyet Almaden, mga working team na sila Allen, Pedro Tagalog, Sami, Masti, Skasti, Boyet Boris, lahat sila. At yung karaoke night at Villa, lahat masaya.
50 years, napakahabang panahon. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon na nabigyan kami ng ganitong pagkakataong magkita-kita muli. Magkwentuhan, magkantsawan, magtawanan. Napakasaya.
No doubt, this is the best reunion the class have had so far. This is now our gold standard in future anniversary events. Hard to equal maybe, but nevertheless, a standard of measure. There is really nothing perfect, but this one is quite close. Our frequent meetings poured with ideas, critics, and inputs obviously contributed to this resounding success. We kept our bases covered for contingencies and emergencies like the late adjustments we made on our visit to Basa Air Base. Indeed, our 50th Golden Anniversary reunion was not only a grand event, it is also a blessing from our Lord above. Once again, our class has made a statement on what unity, active participation, and planning is all about. Thank you all for your attendance. To the very few who were not able to join due to health issues, we understand your absence. Cheers.
The Golden Anniversary celebration of our club is a dream come true to me. 4 years ago, I was diagnosed 5-stage chronic kidney disease. All the while, akala ko is the end of the world. Akala ko, hindi ko na mabutan ang 50 years anniversary. So, my wish din, sabi ko, pabutin niyo lang ako, Lord. Masaya. So, thanks God, granted ko yung wish ko. At naka-join ako. Masaya. So, maybe for the next 5 years or so, pwede pa. Feeling ko ngayon, lalo akong minsan, tinanong ako anong masabi ko doon sa celebration. Sabi ko, in simple word, awesome. Lahat kasi na nakaplano namin, excellent, na carried out talaga. Lahat ng plan activities, yung food namin, excellent choice, yung venue, excellent choice, yung entertainment, maganda. Lahat, maganda talaga. So, wala akong masabi pa kung hindi super ganda talaga yung celebration. So, most memorable part talaga sa celebration is the gala na yun. Is, for me, parang magical. Kasi nung donning ng medalyon ng Paprop, iba yung feeling mo. Kasi itong medalyon na to, symbolizes achievement and honor. So, habang dinudoon sa amin ng asawa namin, binibigyan namin sila ng rose. Tapos, palakad kami sa center stage, iba talaga yung feeling. Parang lumulutang ka sa hangin. Then, here comes the singing of the Paprop hymn, wherein hawak namin to, close sa chest namin. Every word na lalabas sa kinakanta namin, parang tusok na tusok sa damdamin. Kaya, to be honest, muntik na talaga akong maiyak noon. I don't know kung anong feeling ng ibang kong kaklase, but somehow is magical feeling. Followed by want to sawang sayawan, eat all you can food, drink all you can, lahat na. Na-extend pa yung aming sayawan all night for 4 hours. Naging from 3 hours to 4 hours. Super talaga ang celebration. So, lahat naman na ito ay siguro dahil sa able leadership ng aming presidente, si Paring Boyet Almadid, saka yung ample support ng ng mga technical working group members. Saka sa lahat ng mga kaklase. Maraming salamat mga classmates for a very, very successful holding of our 50 years anniversary. Sana marami pa tayong celebrations na mapagsamahan at mabuhay tayo na. God bless us all.
Our 50th Golden Anniversary celebration was a very successful one, very memorable, celebrating with classmates of 50 years ago. The bond, the friendship, and the camaraderie is still the same. Ang nabago lang, nag-mature yung mga faces natin, pero mga pogi pa rin, siyempre. I enjoyed every part of it, classmates, and I'd like to congratulate the working committee and the whole class for this very successful and very memorable activity. May God bless us in the coming years with a happy, healthy life and continue the brotherhood, the friendship, and camaraderie as we grow older. See you again next time, classmates. I'm starting to miss all of you. Your laughter, your smile, and yung kwentuhan na walang katapusan.
Isang pinagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Naway lahat tayo ay nakaranas ng kaligayahan, saya at tuwa sa ating pagtitipon sa loob ng 4 na araw at 3 gabing Sana'y naranasan natin na binalikan ang nakaraan nating pagsasama-sama. Sa tuwa, sa hirap na ating naranasan hanggang sa ating pagtanda, sana'y hindi nawala yung naituro sa atin na samahan. Sabi nga nila sa English, united we stand, divided we fall. Sana'y wag natin kalimutan na sa ating darating pang mga panahon, hindi mawawala yung ating kagustuhan na magsama-sama muli at pagsalu-saluhan ulit ang isang magandang bukas. Huwag natin kalilimutan na sa ating paglalakbay sa hamon ng buhay, sana'y gabayan tayo ng ating poong may kapal at huwag tayong pabayaan sa ating mga gawain sa pang-araw-araw. Sa ating lahat, uulitin ko ang isang masayang anibersaryo ng ating 50 taong pagsasama-sama. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat at naway huwag nating kalimutan ang pagtawag sa Kanya na tayo palaging sinupin at ingatan at sana'y magsama-sama pa tayo ng mas matagal. Huwag lamang sana umabot pa ng Diamond Anniversary. Baka tatatlo na lang o isa na lang ang a-attend pa. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Pagpalain tayo ng Diyos.